How do open versus closed source OS compare? Have you ever wondered how open source and closed source operating systems stack up against each other? Let's break down the key differences between these two types of operating systems, especially in the context of mobile platforms like iOS and Android. Open source operating systems, such as Android, provide their source code to the public. This means developers and manufacturers can modify, customize, and distribute the software freely. This flexibility results in a wide variety of devices with different features and price points. Consumers enjoy many choices, from budget-friendly to high-end smartphones. On the other hand, closed-source operating systems like iOS are proprietary. Apple controls the entire system, and the source code is not available to the public. This limits customization options but allows Apple to maintain a tight grip on the user experience, hardware integration, and security. Because both hardware and software come from the same company, closed-source systems often deliver a more streamlined and stable user interface across devices. Security is another major difference. Closed-source operating systems benefit from a centralized vetting process for applications. This means that apps undergo rigorous checks, which can reduce vulnerabilities and risks associated with malware. In contrast, open-source operating systems relying on a community of developers and manufacturers to maintain security. This can lead to variable security quality across devices. However, the open nature of the code allows for public scrutiny, which can help identify and fix bugs. When it comes to app ecosystems, closed-source operating systems like iOS have strict App Store policies. This ensures higher quality and security for applications, but limits developers and users to a single official app store. Open-source operating systems like Android allow apps from multiple sources, increasing availability and diversity. However, this also raises potential security risks. Use cases highlight these differences. Open-source operating systems are often favored in environments that requiring flexibility and customization. Developers and users who want more control over their devices appreciate this aspect. Closed-source operating systems appeal to those who prioritize ease of use, security, and a consistent experience. This is especially true in consumer and enterprise settings where reliability is key. In summary, open-source operating systems offer adaptability and variety, but they come with variable security and user experiences. Closed-source operating systems provide controlled, secure, and uniform environments, but at the cost of customization and openness. This comparison is evident in the mobile operating system market, where Android exemplifies open source and iOS represents closed-source systems.